All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how you would use the molarity formula to calculate the amount of solute you would measure out to add to the solution or add to the water. So I do this all the time when I'm making solutions for you to use in the lab. I have to calculate the number of moles required of solute, and then I need to convert that to grams using the formula mass. So remember that molarity is equal to moles of solute over liters of solution. So in this problem, we're given the molarity, 0.1, and the milliliters of solution. So we have to first convert our milliliters to liters. So remember, there is 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So we're going to move our decimal 3 places to the left and end up with 0.075 liters of solution. Now, to solve for moles of solute, I'm going to multiply both sides by liters. Okay, so that my liters cancel out right here, and I'm left with liters times molarity equals moles. So I plug my numbers in, 0.075 liters times 0.1 molarity gives us 0.0075 moles of HCl, because that is our solute, and it says that right here. Okay, so now I can't measure out moles on a scale. I can only measure out grams. So I need to convert my moles to grams using the formula mass of hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. So 1.01 is the formula mass of hydrogen, 35.45 is chlorine, and we end up with a mass of 36.46 grams. Okay, my like units cancel out here, and I'm going to end up multiplying. I'm going to keep 2 sig figs in our answer. So when I calculate that out, I get 0.27 grams HCl. So what I would do is I would take 0.27 grams of the solid HCl and I would add enough water to it to make a total volume solution of 75 milliliters. So in that one, we're using the molarity formula, but we're taking it one more step and calculating the mass of the solute that we would measure out in order to create this solution.